you're looking for a few hours of relaxing and exploring, this is for you. We had a lovely day out. The skipper and the guy driving the boat was very professional and friendly. When we got onto the boat, they introduced themselves, and we headed to our first location. This took 30 minutes, a small island with stunning views and a lovely beach. Then it was time to go to the Blue Lagoon, which was also beautiful. Every time we stopped, the skipper gave us helpful information on the area, and when we got back on, she always ensured we had a good time, which we definitely did. After this, we headed to the old historic town where we had an hour to explore and get a bite to eat. Once finished here, we had another 30 minutes boat ride back to Split. This tour was 9:30 to 2, which is great time and duration which everyone would enjoy. I definitely recommend. There are at least 20 providers of, largely the same, excursions. We wanted a half-day boat trip to Solta, the Blue Lagoon, and Trogir. That costs 450 kuna per person everywhere, or 60. The difference sometimes lies in the boat, a rubber speedboat where you sit close to the water wearing a life vest, or a larger luxury boat. Thanks to a nice information officer named Celiana, we chose Blue Cave Tours. The excursion was fine. Departure at 14:30, a nice speeding trip across the water, visiting Solta and Trogir, 2 free hours, and doing some snorkeling along the way in the Blue Lagoon Bay, where, incidentally, there wasn't much to see above or below the water. Back in Split at 1900 hours. A fine trip all in all. We had booked this before we left the UK and didn't realize these trips were so run-of-the-mill. The tour happened in a different order to the advertised schedule, which meant we were on the beach in complete shade. Not a huge problem because, to be honest, the beach and the lagoon were absolutely chock-a-block with similar boats doing versions of the same trip. If you can't swim in the sea without hearing persistent dance music or smelling cigarette smoke, it's not really that magical. Being in a boat is always great on the Med, and Trogir was worthy of a longer visit. Ultimately, though, we regretted this booking. Split was quite a surprise. Really beautiful, excellent tour, great time with Joseph, our boat skipper. He really knows everything about Split. Amazing time in Blue Lagoon, also visiting the cozy town of Trogir, and still enough time to spend in Split town. Recommendation to skip last island to spend all time at Blue Lagoon. Highly recommended. Regarding Blue Cave Tours, I would say it didn't work for us as an agency but more as a broker. We should expect more follow-up, not even a message after tour to ask us if it was okay. What really made our day was the skipper Joseph. This tour was an absolutely fantastic way to spend the day in Croatia. It was a good mix between swimming and seeing Croatia. Jumping off the boat into the water was some of the highlights of the day. The only thing that is recommended is water shoes. We forgot them and the beaches are very rocky. The company was very communicative via WhatsApp prior to the day, so if you don't have it, I recommend getting it or finding a way to communicate prior to departure. The area is beautiful. I'd say the only thing I wasn't a fan of was the last beach we stopped at. I would have much rather have stayed at Blue Lagoon the remaining time after Trogir. Tour was cute and laid back. The skipper and his partner were great. I'm sorry I don't remember their names. One of them had long curly hair, a native of Split. Finding your guide can be a bit tricky since there are about 30 tour operators to Blue Lagoon, but once we got the right person, everything went great. Our tour guide even set up a table for 12 at the restaurant at Blue Lagoon for us ahead of time. Super fun time. Blue Lagoon is rocky, so if going ashore, water shoes are helpful.